Let's talk about logarithm differentiation. Okay. Now we will call in our first set of videos where we talked about differentiation of y is equals to ln ax. Okay. Where we say when whatever we differentiate ln ax, we're going to have 1 over x. Now, whenever we now differentiate, this is now generally we can say that d dx of ln f of x is equal to f prime of x divided by f of x. So let's take, for instance, we have y is equals to ln 3x. Okay, and now we know when we differentiate this guy, dy dx, all we would have is 1 over x when we follow this principle. But now let us try and follow this principle. This principle says that f of x is equals to 3x, and f prime of x, that's differentiating f of x, is equals to 3. Therefore, applying these two, we can say that dy dx is f prime of x divided by f of x, and this will be 3 divided by 3x, which is 1 over x. Now we can say that this is equivalent to this. Now let's take another example. Ln given, let us evaluate the differential function of ln y is equals to ln 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now when we look at this, we know that f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. And let's differentiate this to get f prime of x, and that will give us 6x plus 2. And now we understand that whenever we differentiate a function of ln f of x with respect to x, our answer will give us f prime of x divided by f of x. Therefore, dy dx in this case is f prime of x divided by f of x. And that will give us 6x plus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Let's take another example. Let's say y is equals to ln natural logarithm of 3 sine 3x. Definitely in this case, we know that f of x is equals to sine 3x. And differentiating sine 3x will give us 3 cos 3x. Therefore, dy dx, applying logarithm differentiation, will give us f of x, f prime of x divided by f of x. And that will give us 3 cos 3x divided by sine 3x. We understand that sine x over tan over cos x is equals to tan x, and cos x over sine x is equal to cos x. Therefore, 3 cos 3x over sine 3x will give us 3 cos 3x. Let's take two more examples. 4. We're given y is equals to ln x squared minus 1. We understand that f of x in this case is x squared minus 1, and differentiating this, we have 2x. We understand that when we differentiate with respect to x of the natural logarithm of f of x, our answer will be f prime of x divided by f of x. Therefore, dy dx in this case will be f prime of x divided by f of x. And this is going to give us 2x divided by x squared minus 1. Question 5. Y is equal to natural logarithm of 4x raised to power 3 minus 6x squared plus 3x. Now in this scenario, our f of x is 4x raised to power 3 minus 6x squared plus 3x. And our f prime of x in this case will give us 12x squared minus 12x plus 3. Applying this principle, we have that dy dx is equal to f prime of x divided by f of x, because we are under logarithm differentiation. And this is equal to 12x squared minus 12x plus 3 divided by 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x. Now in our next video, we'll be considering a different method of differentiating logarithm functions.